Welcome back to Burn Fit X. Today, we're going through a full body dumbbell workout that will challenge your strength and endurance. Let's get started. First, we begin with the Goblet Squat. Grab a 10-kilo dumbbell and push through 10 strong reps to fire up your legs and glutes. Next, move into the Dumbbell Chest Press. Using 10 kilos, perform 10 controlled reps to build that chest and triceps. Remember, slow and steady, focus on the squeeze. Now, onto the Dumbbell Row. With 5 kilos in one hand, perform 10 reps per side. Keep your back straight and pull with your lats. After that, we hit the hamstrings and glutes with the Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift 10 kilos for 10 solid reps. Push your hips back, keep your chest up, and feel the stretch. Moving to shoulders, the seated Dumbbell Shoulder Press. With 2.5 kilos per side, perform 10 reps to strengthen your delts. Keep the motion controlled and steady. Finally, finish strong with a plank. Hold your body tight for 30 seconds. This will engage your core and stabilize your whole body. That's the workout. Remember, consistency is the key to results. Train hard, stay focused, and let's keep pushing together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness workouts here on Burn Fit X.
Join the Burn Fit X family. Subscribe and press the bell.